Hi, I'm Mira from Flow with Mira, and this is Boki, my assistant for the day. Today I'm going to take you to a Pilates class for core workout. So before we begin the class, let's talk about where is your core and what's involved in your core. The core is the area in the body that spans from the lower ribcage all the way to the pelvis area. And it covers the muscles of the front of the body, the deep muscle of the front of the body, the back of the body, and the side of the body. There's a lot of a misconception that the core is only consisting of the abdominals. The abdominal muscle is part of the core, but as well as your deep back muscle and your hip flexors. When you have improved better core strength, you find yourself that you have less ache and pains in the body, as well as your posture will improve and your overall body appearance. So let's go ahead and start the class. We're going to begin the class. If it's available for your body today, you can kneel up and join me. Otherwise, you can also sit down or cross your legs for the first section. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna kneel up. Okay, we are going to do some breathing and deep abdominal muscle contractions. The deep abdominal muscle is called the transverse abdominis. It works like a corset that wraps around your midline. Okay, so kneeling upright tall. I really want you to align your knee, your hip, your shoulder. Okay? Now, let's take your hands on the side of the rib cage. Stay nice and tall. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. So we inhale as you allow the ribs to expand. Exhale, contract the abdominal region, wrapping from the side to the inside, the bottom to the middle, and the top part to the middle. Everything goes towards your belly button. And inhale, expanding the rib cage. Exhale. In breath. Exhale. 3 more times. Two more. Last one. Excellent. Okay, let's go ahead. Bring yourself down to a modified quadruped position. So you align the shoulder and the heel of the palm. And your pelvis is somewhere between your knee and your heel. Keeping your spine nice and long. Here, press down with the hands. At the same time, I'd like you to open and broaden the shoulders outward. We're going to do that transverse abdominis engagement again. So we inhale through the nose, expanding the rib cage. Exhale, I'd like you to draw in the TVA, the transverse abdominis muscle, like a corset wrapping around the midline. So you're feeling that the abdominal region is being pulled up off the ground towards the spine without disturbing the position of that natural curve in the spine. Inhale. Exhale. In breath. Exhale. Try to access from the lower abdominal, the middle abdominal, and the upper abdominal, drawing everything in towards the belly button, and that belly button region drawing upward towards the spine. In breath. Exhale. One more here. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's tuck the toes under behind you. In breath again. Exhale, drawing that TVA muscles, and I'd like you to float the knees off. So you find that whole core, 360 around the waistlines, it's working quite hard now. We stay here. In breath. Exhale, we pull up. 2 more times. In breath. Exhale, we pull up. Last one. And release the knee down. Release the ankle. And let's go ahead and transition ourselves lying on the floor. So turn to your side. And let's go ahead. Bring our back on the floor. Onto a supine position. Your feet are parallel. Your knees are pointing up to the sky. About a fist different distance between each heels. Your pelvis in your comfortable position. There's a slight gap underneath the lower spine. Your shoulders are resting down to the floor. There's a slight gap underneath your neck cavity. Your neck is long, your arms are active, reaching to your feet. Now let's work against that transverse abdominis in this position. Inhaling, rib cage expanding. Exhaling, again, you're gonna wrap that deep core set muscle in towards the center without moving the pelvis, without moving the lower back. In breath. Exhale. In breath. 2 more times. Exhale. Last one. In breath. Exhale. And let's just stay there. Now imagine there's a ruler stretching from the top of the spine down towards the pelvis. Holding that corset muscle nice and tight. We breathe out, pulling in the center. We press the feet, press the arms down, lifting the spine up in one straight line. Again, imagining that you still have that ruler stretching in the middle of the body. And holding it in breath. Exhale, folding through the hip, we'll lower everything back down to your starting position. Exhale, we'll lift. Hug the waistline in. Inhale, hold. Exhale, come back down. 2 more times. Exhale, lift. In breath. Exhale, and down. Last one. Exhale. In breath. Let's hold here. Now as you exhale, I'd like you to lift the feet up. So heels down, dorsiflex the feet. Keep the pelvis nice and high. Press the arms down. Can we lift a little higher maybe? And then lower the feet down. Let's breath out. Press the toes down. Lift the heels up. Hold that pelvis high. In breath. Exhale, lower the heels down. 1 more time. Exhale, dorsiflex the feet, heels down, toes off. Hold an in breath. Exhale, feet down. And press the ball of the feet down, lift the heels up. The pelvis doesn't drop, hold it up there. In breath. Exhale. And stay up. Another in breath. Exhale, release the pelvis all the way back down to the floor. Okay, now we're going to stabilize the pelvis. Leg lift coming up. As you breathe out, imagine you have a cup of tea resting in the front of your pelvis. We take the leg closer to me, up, and a tabletop position. Bring the knee right over the hip joint, and the shin bone is parallel with the ground. Now, stabilize the pelvis, work that TBA muscle. We lower the leg down. Exhale, up. In breath. Exhale, up. Movement from the hip joint and so the abdominal muscle is stabilizing your torso, but the movers of this exercise is actually your hip flexors. So we work in the hip flexors here while we work the TBA muscle to stabilize the spine. 1 more. And take the leg down. Let's switch over to the other side. Breathe out, we'll lift. Over as you inhale, exhale, lower, lengthen the hip flexors, exhale, folding the hip flexors, lengthening, exhale, folding, lengthening, and 3 more. Stabilize the pelvis. 2. Last. And let's hold that tabletop. Now, moving on to a bit more challenging is called the leg changes. Your TVA muscles really need to work. So right now, as you breathe out, we switch the leg.